How to filter photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open any photo from here. Then, go to the bottom panel and tap on the edit icon as shown. You can now edit the photo using all the options available over here. Go to the bottom panel and tap on the filters icon in the middle. In this section, you can view all the filters available below. From here, try out the filters and choose the one you like. For example, select NA to make it look more vintage. After that, tap on Done at the top right. Following these steps, you can easily filter photos on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.